All right, so this is how you turn it on. And for those going to let a kid ride or younger person ride, double tap to put it into the slowest speed. That red means it's in the fastest speed it can go up to. Now it's in the slowest, medium, fastest, slowest. Okay, so Summer, this is the brake. All right. This is the accelerator. See how it's going? All right. And before you go, if you want, before you press this, just go ahead and kick off with your feet just to see if you can balance, and then stop. And then if you feel like you can balance it, then kick off again and then press the accelerator. Okay. Cool? So whatever feels comfortable first. All right. Easy, right? As you can see, first time rider, it's not that big of a deal at all. And you apply the brakes. All right. Press the brake for me. I want to see if the light comes on. See? Lights come on when you press the brakes. Press the brake again. Brakes work there. Let it go somewhere again. And the brakes are on the front motor as well. So if you end up leaving her on, it will turn off as an automatic shut off. This is the clamp that connects here, if you guys don't know. So, okay, when you want to release it, you pull this up and pull that forward. Then she'll easily fold. And then you want this latch here, this latch right here, to line up with that right there. Watch. Voila.